Pursuant to the decisions of the ZANU-PF Central Committee, entered on the 19th of November 2017, recalling Comrade Robert Gabriel Mugabe from the position of President and First Secretary of ZANU-PF, the party wishes to announce that Comrade Alaji Mugabe has been formally notified of the decisions this morning. As for that, the party has instructed the Chief Whip to proceed with impeachment processes against Comrade Alaji Mugabe, as it has not received the anticipated confirmation of his resignation from the Speaker of Parliament. A caucus of ZANU-PF parliamentarians, which has just concluded, was attended by 230 ZANU-PF members of Parliament out of 260 members, has endorsed the impeachment.